Part of the heritage and the RnineT series is the previous generation of boxer motor. It's really what's classified as an oil head. It's 1100 cc's, it's 110 horsepower, it's cooled both air and oil. And so it's an exciting part of the heritage of BMW's R series with those who want to brush it with the past and yet want some of those modern elements. And then it gives you the personalized and customizable style that you can add. For instance, you can take the rear seat and take it from the frame and you can add a cafe racer cowl. You can also outfit it with bags. You can have customizable cylinder head covers where it shines it up, and then you can also dress up your headlight to make it dressier and go with the finish. So come by and see us here at Eurotek OKC because we want to pair you to the right motorcycle.